Forewarned weather with Damian Lotus.
I'm tracking decent weather for today, but all eyes are going to be on the skies here as we head throughout tomorrow. Heavy snowfall for some parts of the state. Let's get right into your forewarned forecast. I'll start you off with a time lapse, and over the last hour, pretty much this is going to be the most sunshine we see all day. We had a little bit of a break in the clouds, but now we're seeing more cloud coverage working its way in from the south. Here's a look at our storm scanner. Now there's some showers developing across western Oklahoma. We also have some rainfall across southern parts of the state. For Oklahoma City, it's going to be cloudy here as we head throughout the rest of the day. Temperature-wise right now, as you take a live look at the downtown Oklahoma City skyline, low 40s here for the metro. 41 at Will Rogers World Airport. Winds right now are out of the north about 10 to 20 miles an hour, so that's making it feel like freezing here for Oklahoma City. Air temperatures outside are still a mix of 30s and 40s here for your Saturday morning. Across the rest of the state, we have some freezing temperatures right now across the panhandle. When you factor in the winds, it feels like the 20s across northwestern Oklahoma. It feels like freezing here for Oklahoma City. And as we head throughout the rest of your Saturday, I'll be tracking partly to mostly cloudy skies. Highs today will make it to the mid 50s for the metro. Sunset this evening is going to be at 6:07. So for today, highs across the state will be in the 30s, 40s, 50s, and we'll even see some 60s across eastern Oklahoma. Looks like we'll make it to the mid 50s here for central parts of the state, which is normal for this time of year for Oklahoma City. Winds today will be out of the north about 10, 20, gusting up to 30 miles an hour. So it is going to be windier today than what I was tracking yesterday. Looks like we'll make it to the mid 50s here for Oklahoma City. But all eyes are going to be on that chance of snow for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and break this down. Right now I'm tracking a winter storm watch in effect for western parts of the state. The Panhandle actually has a winter storm warning and a traveler's advisory in effect. So here's the latest timeline. As we head into tonight, around 10 o'clock tonight, I will be tracking some snowfall developing across the Oklahoma Panhandle. As we head into the overnight hours, by about 4 a.m. tomorrow morning before sunrise, we'll see some light showers here for central Oklahoma. Heavy rainfall developing off to our west. And as we head throughout the morning hours, 9 a.m. after sunrise, we'll see some heavy rainfall for central and southern parts of the state. And then we'll slowly start to see that rain transition to sleet, transitioning into snow across western parts of the state. For the afternoon hours, 1, 2, 3 o'clock, that's when here for central Oklahoma, we'll see that transition from rain to sleet to snow. That'll happen during the afternoon hours. So up until about noon, it's just going to be rainfall here for Oklahoma City. As we head into the evening hours, I'm stopping the clock here at midnight. This is Sunday night, Monday morning. That's when we'll see the heaviest snowfall here across central Oklahoma. And that snow will slowly work its way into northeastern Oklahoma by about sunrise on Monday. And then after that, as we head into Monday afternoon, by about midday, we'll actually start to see clearing here across the I-35 corridor. So that's the timeline. What are the totals? This is what everybody wants to know. How much snowfall am I going to see? Well, it looks like the highest totals will be right along the I-44 corridor, including the Oklahoma City Metro, but it looks like the highest potential for heavy snowfall will be across southwestern Oklahoma. We can see some widespread 4-inch plus totals here for that part of the state. For Oklahoma City, we can definitely see 2 inches of snow for sure. Road conditions, because of the snowfall, we will see some slick spots. The worst driving conditions across the state will stay across western and southwestern parts of the state as we head throughout Sunday evening into Monday morning. And for Oklahoma City, slick spots on the roads, slick spots on the elevated surfaces, bridges, overpasses. That's where we'll see the worst driving conditions. Wind chills, power outages, not much of a factor here with this winter storm, but there could be some school and business closures here as we head throughout Monday morning that I'll be keeping you forewarned about. For that 7-day forecast, today will be cloudy, breezy, and chilly. Highs today in the 50s. We'll see that chance of snow and a winter storm tomorrow. But after that, we'll actually see clearing skies and temperatures rebounding back into the 60s as we head into Valentine's Day. So for tomorrow, make sure you stay and remain weather aware. I'll keep you forewarned.